Call me Captain Paul Periods, hustling in the trap. I'm a D-boy, so official G me on the map. I power forward, dope carrying, got it on any block. I Ray J Grant out there when I get those snaps. Ray Allen ballin' going hard, trying to get them stacks. Pots on the stove, water whipping so easy. Elementary, microwave whipping. In the kitchen, Larry Bird legendary with dope dry off. It's time to cut up. D Brown Duncan when I'm chopping up. Posted on the trap, pitching out that better. Kevin McHale shooting for a 3 or better. The color of Celtics is what I'm shooting for. Hustling so I can pull out big chunks. About the size of Shaquille O'Neal. To stay out my way, I don't need a Robert Parrish. Bought a blocking ass nigga in my way. I'm a hustler by choice. The high Roy Royce, selling more things than toys. I rush, get on our level and ball like us. Going so hard like a fucking cannabis. Don't fuck with my squad, we a lady bus. So fresh and clean with no angel dust. I'm sitting on these boys like diarrhea fluid. The ones who always talking, they wish they could. A chopper to your head, now I wish you was dead. Punk ass nigga, I'm coming to your fucking dead. Come and get it like me and find you a hustle. Don't end up like a fucking buster. I hate these niggas with a passion in my heart. With a knife through their heart, I'm gonna take your life. When I see it on sight, choppers let it off. Shooting it straight through your heart, one a piece to the head until you drop it, Fred. Thank you, Satan. If you're leaving for dead, as they blood said, y'all the type of niggas who never got shit and ain't got shit to even live for. You some deadbeats. That's where I'm gonna open up your cantaloupe and leave blood all over the fucking pavement. And don't give a fuck about the consequences. It's 2 straps and came with a pitchfork blowing up. I'm a hustler by choice. The high raw Royce, selling more things than toys all runs. Get on a level and ball like us, going so hard like a cannabis. Don't fuck with my squad, we a let it bust. So fresh and so clean with no angel dust. I'm a hustler by choice, the high raw Royce, selling more things than toys of runs. Get on our level and ball like us, going so hard like a fucking cannabis. Don't fuck with my squad, we a let it bust. So fresh and so clean with no angel dust.